Hey everyone, welcome back to A Dose of Donnie. So in today's video, me, my family, and my aunt will be going to this place called Buttercup Cafe to eat breakfast, and then we're going to be going to this museum, this African American museum, and then we're going to be going to, I think this I don't know what it's called, something like Jack Square City or something like that. But I'm super excited. I can't wait to show you guys some more footage of the places I'll be going to and exploring a little bit more of California. Thank you guys for continuing to watch and support me, and tune in to the next one. Oh yeah, that's exactly what it's looking like. So yeah, we are just exploring. We are in, ooh, what is this place called? Jack. Oh yeah, what's the place called though? Jack something?
Jack Harlow? No.
No.
Jack London.
We are in Jack London Square. Kim is here.
Hey guys.
My aunt's in the
I'm on
back.
Snapchat.
AJ and my mom.
Crystal_clear. Both of them are K's.
Yes.
No, not underscore. It's 22. So Crystal_clear 22.
That's my sister's Snapchat. You want to hit her up? Can't really see because of the rain, but.
No, the homeless people don't hang like that. I don't think at the lake.
I'm gonna have to roll this window down.
Depending on what side. They live at the lake.
They do. They live at the lake. If we were to walk.
Yes. The museum called again?
The Oakland Museum of California.
Okay.
AMCA.
That's where we're going, guys.
AAH.
I'm not filming in there. Okay.
Right, and sis could really get out the house. Sis is just up here.
Who, Mom? Cindy?
Mom.
Right. I'm like, she can come down and do all the things too, but she be, she acting funny sometimes. I'm
Oh, this is so pretty.
trying to push the envelope. I'm watching this thing.
Alright.
I'm paying attention.
So we're here on the hills. It's very quiet, a lot of
It's not the best
trees.
view, but when we go
Very foggy out here.